friends, today I'm going to share with you my knowledge on a very popular tropical herb used as a spice all over the world. It's ginger. In this video, I'm sharing tips to grow and harvest ginger successfully. Also, some recommended ginger health benefits in our diet. Yes, I have included in this video the recipe for making my favorite pickle using ginger. This ginger pickle has some traditional Indian spices in it, which makes it all the more aromatic and spicy. Ginger is usually seen in the stores in the form of a root or as a powder. The ginger plant looks like this when it is fully mature. If we remove the pot and the soil, we can see the ginger root. That's what we see in the markets. So, the easiest way to grow ginger is to get one of these little pieces of root and pot them in the best soil that you can get. You can use a clay pot, a sandbag, or a garden bed, whatever you prefer. The ginger root sprouts easily and becomes a fully mature plant within 6 months. When the leaves turn yellow and the above ground plant dies, the ginger can be harvested. The ginger root will sprout again if not harvested. The ginger plant is very easy to harvest. You just literally pull it out of the ground. Take little chunks and reserve some for planting again. Always remember that you need the best soil that you can get to guarantee your ginger production. Ginger is a perennial herb and is a tropical flowering plant. The ginger root is actually an underground stem. It contains the compound gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties. Ginger is an ancient spice and has long been used for culinary and medicinal purpose. It is said to have numerous health benefits. Whether gingerol in ginger is truly effective or not has yet to be proven. Research does not entirely support the presumed benefits of eating ginger, but many herbalists believe that it does offer several health benefits. Gingerol gives ginger its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Other possible health benefits of ginger include relieving nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, and motion sickness. Ginger root, a key ingredient in many Asian dishes, can be prepared in many different ways. Here's how I made one of my favorite pickles using ginger. First, you have to fry the dried chilies with 1 teaspoon of oil on low heat. I am using here a traditional Indian pickle recipe as my guide. In the original recipe, tamarind juice is used as a preservative. In this recipe, I am using vinegar as the pickles can last longer. When the color changes to dark red, the frying is complete. Cool the fried chilies and blend to a fine powder. Pickled ginger is normally eaten with rice dishes. This pickled ginger also makes a nice tasty sandwich spread. Blend the fried chilies to a very fine powder. The next step is to dry roast the fenugreek seeds on low heat. Use 3 to 4 tablespoons. When the color changes to dark brown, switch off the heat. Cool and blend the fenugreek seeds to a fine powder. The next step is to peel the fresh ginger. Here I am using a spoon to scrape off the outer skin as it was a recommended tool for peeling ginger. I also find peeling ginger with a spoon much easier than using a peeler. cut the cleaned ginger into smaller pieces. This is to enable the chopper to work more efficiently. I am using an electric chopper here as it is more convenient and really gets the job done in no time. The chopped ginger should look like this in fine bits. You can also do this manually, but mind you, it's labor intensive and time consuming. As my chopper is small, I continued the process for 3 rounds until all the ginger has been chopped. Here I am using distilled white vinegar. Using any other flavored vinegar is not recommended, as the flavors don't match this ginger pickle recipe. The chopped ginger is then soaked completely in white vinegar for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. The amount of vinegar depends on the amount of ginger used. Here I have used 1.5 cups of vinegar. Once the basic ingredients are ready, it's now only a matter of putting the ingredients together to make our favorite ginger pickle. I am using gingerly oil here as this oil blends very well with the flavors of the spices being used. Gingerly oil is actually pure sesame seed oil. Fry the mustard seeds until it starts popping. Add fenugreek powder and fry on low heat for a minute. Keep stirring on low heat for a minute until the roasted flavors of the spices fill the air. Add dry roasted curry leaf powder. This is pre-prepared by dry frying some curry leaves and blending them to a powder. Add turmeric powder and keep frying on low heat for another minute. Keeping on very low heat, add chili powder. Fry for a minute. Now add the liquid from the soaked ginger. Adding the liquid first and then the chopped ginger will decrease spluttering. Allow the liquid to dry up before adding the ginger pieces. Add salt. Add the remaining soaked chopped ginger. Add a cup of brown sugar. This will help to reduce the sourness of the vinegar. Keep stirring on medium heat until the pickle has acquired a thicker consistency. After cooling, the ginger pickle will thicken even further. The cooled pickle can now be bottled into clean jars and stored. This pickle keeps well even without refrigeration for 6 months. Now, to take the ginger pickle to the next level, we can always add any dried fruit at this stage. This is entirely optional and to your personal preference. I prefer my ginger pickle plain as I find it very authentic and superb
as it is with a strong ginger aroma.
That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Grow your own food and eat what you grow. Enjoy and be healthy.